here to wash the house.
Wonderful, thank you.
Do you have any questions or concerns on what we're doing?
No, I guess, how long do you expect it to take?
It's scheduled for about 5 hours.
Oh, okay. Then I'll move my car, if I need to get out of the garage, I'd move that now.
You should be able to just move out. I parked far enough away.
Oh, okay,
So at any
perfect.
point you should be able to move.
Okay,
So.
you are good.
So what hose is this?
This is the water hose,
Okay.
which feeds into the truck for the power washer.
Okay.
I always just get this one going first just to make sure the water reservoir is filled up fully.
Okay.
Power washer hose. Getting their hose off so that nothing happens with theirs, and then screwing ours on, twist the water. Beginning of the seasons, they don't run them, so it fills up with bog junk and dirt.